what we'll be doing immediately is we'll be locking this layer. By locking, I mean just swipe left and lock this layer. Why I'm saying to lock it, because what happens is by mistake you might end up illustrating on the reference image only, and that is something we don't want. So we'll be immediately locking this layer and we create a new layer for every feature that we illustrate. If we do the face, if we do the hair, if we do the hands, the pot that she's holding, everything will be on a different layer. Okay, so right now let's start by illustrating. We'll be using the same image, same colors that are present in the image. Okay, and whenever we're doing portrait illustrations, always look at it as a shape, like the face as a shape, the hair as a shape. Don't look at it as a human being standing in front of you, because then it becomes very overwhelming and you might be wondering how do we go about it. But if you look at that image in form of shapes, you'll be easily be able to create the illustration. Okay, so using your finger or your pen, hold on to the image and choose the color that you like. So I'm choosing this for the face. I'm checking that I've taken studio pen. And one more thing, you can actually change the settings of the pen by clicking on the pen. Go to stabilization and keep your streamline between 70 to 80%. Okay, why I'm doing streamline is because that streamline makes your lines very smooth and your lines becomes nice, flowy and curvy, and your illustrations look very neat. So that is why that is the only setting I do when it comes to brushes, which is increase the streamline to between 70 to 80%. It's not compulsory to keep it at 70 to 80% or to even use streamline, but if you want and if you prefer this setting, then if it works for you, you can choose the percentage according to your liking. But I keep it between 70 to 80. So right now it's at 77 and I'm taking studio pen. I've taken the color. You can see the color that you have chosen in the extreme right hand corner. And illustrate. Like right now I'm illustrating the face. Just make a shape around the face. And this is a simple illustration style that we are learning today. So it won't be having many details. So after you create the shape, your shape has to be joined with the lines completely joined from both the ends, not something which is open like this. This is wrong. Because what will happen is when you have to drag the color from the right, don't lift your pen, drag the color from the right and drop it into the shape. Okay, so our face is done. Now for the hair, again, I'm going to be creating another layer. So click on plus and choose a color that you like for the hair. I'll be taking this black. Or let me choose something else. I took a light black shade so that it doesn't merge with her top. And I'm just creating an outline for where the hair should be. And then I'm going to drag the color and drop it in. So now that you can see that once I added the color in for the hair, it's completely covered the pot and the leaves that are in her hand. But it's okay. We'll be working on that as well. But let's work on the neck now. So even the neck will be on a different layer. Carefully draw the shape excluding the leaves, okay, because there are leaves here on top of her neck. So exclude the leaves, sorry, and drag the color from the right and drop it in. And then you can change the placement of the layers as per how you feel it looks better. So I'm keeping the neck layer down, the face on top, and the hair at the extreme top. Did you all get it so far?
No, ma'am. Can you repeat again, ma'am?
Yeah, so basically you just have to create a shape. So I'll just show it for the top. So choose the color, or let me do it for the hand, it's easier, and then I'll show it for the top. So right now I used my finger to grab onto the color of her hand, okay, and then the color picker picks the color, and then let me just take the color of her neck, and then just draw a shape around the hand. Just draw a shape around the hand and then drop the color in, drag and drop the color in. It's that simple. Like, you have to create a shape, step 1. Step 2, you have to choose the color that you want, and then step 3, you have to drag the color from the extreme right and drop it into the shape. Is it clear now? Can I just get a quick thumbs up from everybody if it's clear?
When I drop the color not changed, ma'am. The original picture is same to. There is no change at all. How can I change the color, ma'am?
You
How
just
I
have
want
to
drop
you
the
have
color?
you have to take your finger and hold on to the part of the image that you want to choose the color of. So just take your finger and hold on to that image, and you will see this color picker tool, a circle tool that comes up,
Yes.
which